Omega Speedmaster watch. Main feature are, case material is stainless steel. Varies by model. Some editions use gold or titanium. Case diameter is 42 mm. Case thickness is approximately 14.5 mm. Watch movement type manual winding chronograph caliber 1861 or 3861 for some models. Power reserve is approximately 48 hours. Caliber 3861 offers coaxial escapement, dial color black. Dial with subdials for chronograph functions, features luminous markers and hands. Crystal type hesylite or sapphire crystal. Depending on the model, water resistance is typically 50 meters. Strap bracelet available in stainless steel bracelet, leather strap, or NATO strap. Other functions are hours, minutes, seconds, and chronograph, 1x5 second, 30-minute, and 12-hour counters. Chronometer certified. Many models are COSC certified for precision. Limited editions. Various limited and special editions commemorate historical events such as space missions.